Hi, Bob. How you doing? Just a real quick video, a tip for anyone trying to put this M1 series bumper on a Toyota FJ. It's a little bit challenging to get these last few bolts in. They call for you to somehow put this bumper on, crawl up underneath it, fit your hand through here, hold this tongue in place, putting these in perfect alignment, and then with your other hand, somehow threading a bolt into it, which is a little bit tricky if you've got hands that aren't the size of a baby and maybe some other stuff in the way of the access hole that they put in over here. So the way that I did it was I put my bracket in place and shot in a little bit of silicone. See one over there that I haven't taken off yet. Just tighten the bolts down and let it set. That's going to hold it in place for me while I put it up on here. And then it can be my second set of hands. I'll tighten the bolt onto there a little bit. Once the bolts are into this, I'll jiggle the bumper a bit to break the seal so it can float about. I'll get it where it needs to be and tighten it down. Just a real quick video to let you guys know how I solved this problem, because I've seen a lot of people say they've monkeyed with it for a couple of days trying to get that bolt into there, get it lined up right and whatever, and it's been a real big pain in the butt. I think it's a questionable engineering decision. I think that either there should have been something in here to retain this, like a pair of flanges or something to hold that in place, or those should have just been tacked in place and just be done with it. The bumper is where it is. I know this is more flexibility so you can move it up and down and make it fit the way it needs to fit, but at the end of the day, these holes are going over top of these, so that's not going to move a whole lot anyway. It's going to go in one place and that's that. So I don't know what decision process was put into place for this, but it's not a good one. But anyway, that's my solution. Put that thing on there a little bit, get it about in the middle, put a couple of bolts on there to hold it for you, squirt some silicone in there, cinch them down, let it set, and there you go. Pair of hands to hold your bracket in place while you get the bolts in. Talk to you later.